Good everyone, good day sir. My name is Franklin T. Pilatarta and my goal in life is to become a successful seafarer and electrician someday. I want to become successful electrician. I choose this because electricity is very important in our lives. Homes, buildings, ships, and industries all depend on electrical systems. I want to master electrical installation, maintenance, and troubleshooting. I want to become skilled, knowledgeable, and trusted in my profession. Being a successful electrician means having stable work, earning well, and being able to support my family. And also, I want to become a successful seafarer. I want to work on ships, travel to different countries, and gain international experience. Being a seafarer is not easy because it requires physical strength, mental toughness, and discipline. However, I am willing to face those challenges because I know it can provide better opportunities for my family and my future. And it will also help me to taste every girl in every country. These goals are important to me because I want financial stability and a better life. I want to help my parents, support their future family, and prove that through hard work and determination, dreams can become reality. And my drastic improvement will do the Mr. to achieve these goals is first, I will improve my self-discipline. Both electricians and seafarers need discipline. Electricians deal with dangerous electrical systems, and one mistake can cause serious accidents. Seafarers also need discipline because they work long hours and follow strict rules on board. This semester I will avoid procrasti- proc- procrastination, manage my time properly and focus more on my studies and training. Second, I will improve my technical knowledge and skills. I will study my lessons more seriously, especially subjects related to electrical systems and safety procedures. I will practice more during hands-on activities and ask questions when I do not understand something. Knowledge and skills are very important in these decisions because they ensure safety and efficiency at work. Last is I will improve my physical fitness as a future seafarer. I must be physically strong and healthy. Life at sea can be physically demanding. Starting this semester, I will exercise regularly, sleep properly, and maintain a healthy lifestyle. A strong body supports a strong mind. I believe these improvements are necessary because success does not happen overnight. It requires preparation, sacrifice, and consistency. If I start improving myself now, I will be ready for the challenges in the future. The importance of this subject in achieving results is initiative teachers discipline, leadership, teamwork, and civic responsibility. These values are very important for both electricians and seafarers. As an electrician, I will work with a team and must follow safety standards. As a seafarers, teamwork is very important because crew members depend on each other while at sea. This video also teaches us to serve the community and remind us that being successful is not easy about earning money, but also about helping others. As a future professional, I want to use my skills to serve people, whether by ensuring safe electrical systems or contributing to safe operation on board associate. This step builds character. It encourages our sense of responsibility, patriotism, and readiness during emergencies. This qualifies our essential both land-based and sea-based professions. In emergency situation, the electricians and seafarer must stay calm, think clearly, and act responsibly. And CP helps develop these important traits. And that's all, sir, and thank you. Ang ganda pa